you can see a ton of geometry around the lips right here. Like, look how much geometry there is. It's like so much more compared to like the face right here. And the reason for that is that anime oftentimes has like very extreme mouth expressions. And to create those mouth expressions, you need, of course, a lot of geometry so that it looks nice and smooth. Also, see how, because we don't really have any topology here, it just kind of works. Like, we don't really need the topology here because it's going to look flat anyway, and the shading there is going to be flat. So why do we need all that geometry? Removing all the geometry around the lips allows you to create these very big mouth shapes without having to worry about like all the weight painting around the lips. You just kind of think like, you know what? I want it to be like this. And then the geometry, because it's just one face connecting to the lips, you're just going to follow. Something you might notice for your own line art, once you add line art, we're going to get to line art, okay? Line art will come later, okay? But you might see line art coming and going along these long faces. And if that is the case, something that can fix that is to make the face just a little bit flatter. So basically, you know, make the mouth pointy, but then making the rest of the face quite flat. This can oftentimes fix this kind of like line going along like the spider webbing or whatever you want to call it. You can fix that oftentimes with making just like the face a little bit flatter in this region right here.